Every sunrise over a field is the beginning of a quiet promise, a promise of labor, of care, of nourishment to come. Before the seed comes the soil, worked by hand, turned with patience, a ritual older than cities. To plant is to believe in tomorrow. Each seed carries hope, and every sprout is a testament to quiet faith. Nature does her part. Sun warms the soil, rain kisses the leaves, and life rises from the earth in delicate silence. Then comes the harvest, the reward for months of waiting, a season of giving, of gathering, of grateful hands at work. Farming is not just labor, it's culture, a rhythm that unites families, neighbors, generations. Across continents, the tools may change, but the heart of farming is the same: to grow, to feed, to endure. Behind every meal are hands that sowed, watered, and reaped, often unseen, always essential. The harvest is more than crops. It's a quiet story of labor, life, and love for the land, and it begins again tomorrow.